He said not me. The woman they talk about like she just now say, Enogie say not me. Let them say Sagara. Enogie as big as you are.
Stand up for me. Say no, I don't like to.
I stand up for you. When you know you take do saga. I bet you know last year when they take do their saga. I bet Mona me double tap. Mona share the live stream. Gossip. In that Richard Osadiaye, and that woman where they come on my blue where they barb her hair. I bet who they are aware when they take do their saga. Mona me double tap a big. Which time they take do their saga? I don't know again. I bet when they take do their saga. I bet if you did, I bet who and anybody will share the live stream. Mona me share the live stream. Give Bros Bobby I beg. Mona me share the live stream. Give Bros Bobby. Let me double tap. Last year, when last year they do their saga, I don't know. Like which month? When I mean double tap, when I mean share the live video, I beg. Which month that they do their saga? When Enogie and that woman they come on my blue. Enogie, I'm not saying me you know recruit people, join yourself. Oh. I'm not saying me you know recruit it. Okay, now 2 years ago they do their saga. Oh, Juliet, good evening, Mama. When they do their saga, I don't know when they do one beg. Who get idea of when they do one beg? Mona me right now. I dey respect people wey I dey respect. Not me say me I just because but you know they go enter go too much for him. So I just leave him. Last year when they do their saga, you know you go the open live video, they live for my head and me call and say na the woman I call son. You don't need to lie, no. You say you be man of truth and integrity. You are just stupid, man. You are crazy. You are crazy. You are crazy. No, I'm not talking about him. I don't know when they do their saga. It not concern me. I know they when they do their thing. I don't know when they drag each other. And okay, go they tell the woman say na me. Now I call and say Sagara where. Sagara where. Of course, I'm doing it legally. That prison, Enogie will go. Enogie, Mama Nora, where you and your husband feel na do to do rich. People do a personal. Go shock una. I don't know when they take do their stuff. I don't know when they take craze for this media space. Enogie go they tell the woman say na me. Do I look like a tout like you? You know, thank you. It's not me, I call him. Now, I go screenshot the first way Enogie write me for WhatsApp. I dey come. Who if you write me for WhatsApp, make I show him, make it call.
You know what they make Enogie now? Wait, I dey come here to remember to bring that their saga that time.
What they bring their saga? I don't think their saga.
I don't forget to bring that their saga. Oh God.
I don't know what to bring their saga.
Wait, I don't forget. Wait, I want to try to remember.
I don't want to bring their saga. I don't care.
I'm not going to bring that their saga. Oh, it be like now that time Mama Nora no go fair take control. They can't get issue. If they get me, Mama say stop doing live video on this room. Now that time so.
He said not me. The woman they talk about like she just now say Enogie say not me. Let them say Sagara. Enogie as big as you are.
Stand up for me. Say no, I don't like to.
I stand up for you.
I don't want a big lie.
Why you talking? Go they invite me to come play match. If not be said I'm a chop with the side this evening. You talking my people not there online. Don't worry. Not they accept.
Let's not go the matter. Yes, and I see that the same period now. You know, so that period now, Enogie and go the matter city happen now. Where you guys got to say stop doing live video on this room. Now those matter now cause
I don't know when you are doing at least start their saga. I don't know.
Okay, yes. This gossip meeting talker, this guy I like Tafia. Oh, you dey remember something? Not be lie. Not be lie, not be lie, not be lie.
I bet look when I take get no get no.
Okay, yeah, that's
Look when I take get
February.
no get number.
December, sorry, Friday, December 5th.
You see now even the dollar where I take donate $50.
Yes, I don't see.
Now make I go write me. You know the other that use me that they gave you.
It is see.
It's saying na me. Now call and make it go to
Okay,
the
now cash app, you will put him on. Now cash app.
Now cash app now.
And you this
Now
cash app.
Brano, God send me the cash app. Now it's not give Brano, sir.
Okay,
No, this
because
the
no
cash
see
app
enough use
so.
app for Europe. Europe not dey use cash app.
No. Now he
Yeah,
cost send
I
am
know.
for me. Now the girl I come to give Brano, sir, where they put the $50 for him.
Even this now US they use cash app. Maybe na pen
You
see
get the
here
American now where they
Panusa
donate
now.
for him. Okay,
Yes,
Godfather, you know
now
the
they talk so. A Panusa the US.
no, now you friend for US now you
Yeah, now
call.
go tell the talk because only US they use cash app.
May I send you the receipt of the last $70 when I sent Brano, sir?
It's our money. Oh. Enogie wise there. I want to post the receipt on my group. Enogie wise there. No one call you, so that me no get record to play better. I no one call you. Cause you know if he call you, you know if he write you get the record. So you go one just call you tell you. Yeah, for those of them they say if I put them for you, they'll suspend that. I don't put them for my group.
I don't send you
That's
this one is the last $70 when I give Brano, sir. Not be the $50. Me dash the get $50 on my
Wait
own.
oh, this 100,000. Okay, this
I
one
be
when you
the
send out the
$70.
100,000.
That na $70. Me don't already dash the get on
No,
my
you
own.
send 100. Okay, now naira you send me use until send a proof for this thing.
Yeah, the bros got us the bros will send this the cut us we send the
But
dollar
father,
cut
you
us
are everywhere. I get work.
say make I give her naira back. You know the other they use me the light now me call her make you go saga Mama Blue.
Make sure now, make sure the data. When you mama Bluetooth saga, make sure you want to get your number.
When let me can say when they take saga.
I will December for you. Now me can to delete chat a good to not delete chat a good. Now me can my chat of 2018. See the my phone. Person nothing can lie for my head.
They use me the buy. You they use me the find view. The Mama Blue now we know they think we as old as she is. Thank you, bros. Be nice.
Oh,
Now when
thank
they
you,
saga me,
Binani.
they curse the children. You where your children call social media call they swear for now. You are a boy me. Want to compare yourself with my precious mother?
Binaz, what's happen? This one Binaz they give me
Be
today.
nice,
What's this
always they
all?
give me.
I never see
Yeah, every money God they give me, go give me money for
me
now.
they talk, me they talk. I know they look. I know they look name when they give. To I really say thank you.
You see, now me call out. The lie
That
you
Mama
baby
Blue
laugh.
go the saga. You not go confirm.
Huh?
Mama Blue, if na real woman, if na they make you say the truth.
No,
You be like
Godfather, I won't tell
that
you
girl
one
when
thing.
they call. You dey hear me?
Godfather, I
It be
won't
like
tell you
that girl
one
when
thing.
they it be
Godfather, I
like that
want
girl
to
when
explain
they
something for
call.
you. You
Okay,
see
I
the
dey
day
hear you.
where she started the saga me this year.
Mm.
Go go right for this year, Mama. What I do? They hear me so. He say na me here na call na come. He say me call come a live stream. Me call the tell bra Bobby say na she fed cause you know the children. I say me. I say me say I say no, not be me. Oh. I say Mama, not be me. Oh. He say na me. Say what you know to talk. I call the phone get bros Bobby no, but I call Branusa. Branusa so say me waiting me call bros. I come on me angel. Major cause me wait me call bros Bobby. Call bros Bobby. That bros Bobby call us say me and not be friend though, but he not go lie, not be me. You be
That time
like
you never know, you know, do now.
you be like me climb election cause so segbe. You understand me so Godfather? He said me climb the live stream, got talk for this, and mama, now you find the cost in the children. Me, I never ever climbed any live stream, go defend the Nogi once, one day. I never ever climb. Go they defend Enogie, never. I know they climb, I know they defend person because I don't know whether you go my back go do on that thing. As we hear the talk, now bros Bobby come, where God go bless, but Bobby come join the live stream. Now bros Bobby got us a mama. Not be in and oh. Not be in and oh. Not be in and oh, go talk, come talk for here that day. Now in the person judge the matter too. Okay, now what is this woman they find for my body where she don't want let me rest?
Who the Mama Blue?
Yes.
Is it the saga you know?
As me they talk, they swear for your children. Our children, they swear
Ma
for our children.
go meet her.
Not be here. Oh, he say no, they don't talk I mean, Mother Blue.
Ma go meet her.
Eh?
Ma go meet her. Wait, ma go meet her. Nee, your carry self it as me not put yourself Jonah.
It cost me that many days.
Wait, ma go meet her.
Not be me. No, I not go. I not curse you. I not follow Enogie. Call Enogie. Say Enogie go. I have never called Enogie to saga anybody. You see that one where that Roda do that dirty pig where we are scapping at for Tunisico for Nigeria. Sure, that they go for breaker work for Italy. Now Roda to go where for Nigeria. That girl. You see that word they talk to me go write on my titi. I don't have on my titi number. Me and my titi, thank you JJ family. Me and my titi, we've never chatted before. I don't know anything about her. Nothing. Mama Blue. Whether Mama Blue or whatever your name is. If you want to go and make friends with Enogie, you are free. But don't ever use my name to buy your friendship. Don't use me to go to find friendship. Say me, nah. I don't even want to saga. I don't want to saga. I don't want to drag on herself. I don't know. I don't know. Why supposing for old age now? You stay full on herself. You know whatever trauma give you, Madam Blue? Because I don't want to make some people vex for me. I don't want to make some people vex for me. I just owe myself. Madam, please just leave me alone. I'm not your problem. I'm not your... The Enogie where they talk. Now he insult your children. Now he saga you. Now he drag you. Now me they drag. Madam, just leave me the heck alone. Like, just fucking leave me alone. I have no business with you. I have nothing to do with you. I don't even screenshot time where no get it right. Now, no get right me 5th of December where they donate for that girl. I can screen record. Godfather, I'll go screen record me. I know you chat my sinner for you. Be nice with your president. Be nice with your president. When I leave me now, and I know talk. Idan. Who is Idan? Idan is not here. Why are you talking? Go the same game. Talking, I not get gifter like you go win me. So maybe you know your worry. I don't have gifters. Don't send me game. I'm not playing. We branded it down. It's not here. Your president is not here. He didn't send request. I'm checking it. Okay. Okay. You're the fan view. You must mention my name. I just pity you. I just pity you. I'm so scared for you. He's the real one. He's the real one. He follows me. Lizzie Jones is the real one. Greatest God, when you for write me, you not write me, na lie. You not write me. I don't see. Not write me. I not receive message. I'll just do my own. I have to do my thing on my own. Now you they carry problem. I don't know. Yeah, for WhatsApp or TikTok. I don't want to involve myself with illiterate. I don't know. I don't know how to involve myself with fools. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, I'll check it. I don't know. I still don't understand. How, sir? Why you go to come social media as big as you have? You just be lying. Enogie, you will they swear with everything where you value pass for this life. Say now me, it is not call you. Make you saga. Because if you not swear, Enogie, if you not swear, I go out and join. Oh. If you not swear, I go out and join. They say who the ghost wants to fake you, they first make mad. Juju where they fair blood, and if you give one year, you know they take. I mean, I want you to stop bully. You will stop bully because of me. You are a bully. Hi, Grace.
Now, true say, now question one so I know the now true say you didn't tell Enogie say na mama first swear for your children. That's how they do
Mama,
saga.
tell me show now the message.
Wait. Another two.
When the Mama Blue and Enogie started saga.
Yeah, I don't remember, but I don't say they do saga.
I don't know when they do saga. Oh. I don't know when they do saga. Oh. Enogie started to write me December 5th for my WhatsApp. They hear me so, Mama. I call me that go tell her say go saga that woman. How?
Because me go climb now. That time where I go climb for Mama Blue. Now I go climb.
Mama Blue they stop for our children and I say,
Wait.
You know why they happy? Now the same Italy we did.
Listen,
Italy. Now the same Italy me and she did.
Listen now.
Now the same Italy me and Mama Blue did. Matt, do they speak Italy when not correct? Say me to say fraudulent. I take speaker. Now that one a glory. One way they.
Na me climb. Call ask you question. May you listen to me. Mama Blue, if you understand that it matter not too hard like that, you understand?
Mama, no. Bros Bobby, you dey hear me, Mama? Sorry, Mama, no verse. Bros Bobby climb up, tell and say no be in and oh, explain for him that day. He say na lie.
Yeah, I don't talk to her. He say na last 2 years, I be last. Don't be can't tell her. They get me so. So your banner say maybe na. This thing, so your bastard misunderstand. Maybe your chief already talked to her.
Wait, last 2 years, we know.
Yes. So yeah, over your rest. We don't talk to her. He say she's yours. So me your rest.
Godfather, I want to tell you something. The last time so Godfather, Bros Bobby climb up, tell us say not be me oh. Because according to her, he said the person could climb up, they judge to Bros Bobby. They hear me so, Mama.
Let me listen to me now. You don't let me talk. May you listen and beg.
That time, you don't understand that they try to tell you say he don't pay the ground. Bros Bobby can go explain to us say not be here oh. He know the best way to do.
May you listen. And me too. After day and no person will do that thing. Where be say me too come the invest for yes say these people near Mama Blue reach. Now these people go climb up because they talk say waiting you do it no good. I know say not be you. But may you listen to me. You understand? I say Godfather talk and I say now misunderstanding. I for like me you go climb Mama Blue platform you go carry you enter. Then I say Mama,
I don't fair go there. Now you know they understand so.
You
Mama, I don't fair go. I don't fair go.
When you go there just now, see when you go there just now, you can't go the talk say you don't fear anybody.
Madam,
you don't enter there.
When I entered, I say, Mama, good evening. I said, anybody will know.
Yeah, I understand. You greet her, but you just go to the point. She don't understand. Maybe somebody
go. I don't understand what I know they like to understand. Not be the first time we don't explain to her society happen.
Yeah, may we gotta go. No worry. If we read them out,
they go there again. No. He open my the cross my mouth. She's too small to insult my mother. She's too small to insult my mother. I'm not going there again. She's too small to insult my mother. They're not born her rich. She's too small to insult my mother. I know they go there again. We don't fair go there. Me and Bros Bobby cut and say, no be here old one. Now another woman. Another mother, many people climb up that they say, no be me. This woman say na lie.
You can't go use your name now, take go buy, say na you.
Because what that they do friendship now, Mama.
And that is very bad.
I just screenshot when me and no get start to the chat December 5th. I be December 5th, they don't do their saga.
No, I don't even know when their saga is.
Wait. Enogie talker for that video say now you push and make go saga mama. He talker.
Imagine.
He talker the ass, he talker.
Yes. I want to talk for a platform. I pity women and what they believe in, okay. I pity gullible people they believe in, okay.
No, not talk about that before. The time when you did that, you see the believer. You know if you talk
You'll
about
be one-on-one now.
you be one
You'll
on
be
one, you believe
one-on-one.
That's what you know how many times I don't call and go tell and say this way they do not good. We make her say that they behave like man. What the person not know? Person not the job enter conclusion, eh? Person not the job enter conclusion.
No, that we not fit know say whether you dey touch or whether not but as we said that now, listen. Now lack where you lack and where you take the now so everybody see lack. Now so it be because they say if you not enter house, you not go know what it happen for them. You know.
Yeah, what my boy? Why even Enogie? I'm not why
So you know they can use the me I will sit to Mama Blue.
Don't forget the matter. See how many days or whatever but be here.
Don't do that one, not do that one because you don't stop and not do it. You not be your mate.
It's okay.
You not be my mate, my mama and I mate. Where go they swear for my mother?
Mama Blue, don't say they go assist you. Not be
I don't give a damn. If mature woman like I know they could when they open my mind, they talk to mature woman. Don't insult my mother. I will not come for you.
No worry. I will talk to her. Yeah.
Now, so you don't know the kind of person what this Enogie CIO whatsoever be where they do CIO follow. Thank God say now so it reach. It's okay. Okay? It's okay. It's okay.
If you know what to do for a platform to take great platform,
don't do that. Maybe you don't forget that matter. Maybe you not talk around that. If you want for say face Enogie, yeah. You don't forget that matter. Forget Mama Blue. Yeah. Do.
Okay, the saga was October. Imagine. Saga October, you they add me. Saga October, you see na me call you. Hey. You see na me call you. What I'm not saying, Enogie, give me my $70. Oh, Enogie, give me my $70. Mama J and J, which share you want buy, Mama? Enogie, give me my $70. You say na I be a shower. Give me my shower money. Give me a shower money, madam. Why madam be your guy, man? Give me a shower money. I have Mama. Can you write me my WhatsApp number there? You can't separate John the Baptist in and from Jesus, Enogie. I don't understand the Oga scared. I don't understand your name. What does that mean? Cute pie, follow me by your destiny. Tell me explain give una me give my money. I give my $70. I'm tired. I cannot do advert. Mama, just write me. I'll send you different air. I'm tired, mommy. Mommy, I'm very tired. I'll just do on my own. You go define me. I go do on my own. Now all these gifts, I know they won't kill me for the lie put for a platform. Now all these gifts make Enogie won't kill my enemy, not be me. They lie for a platform. They lie say na so I call the old gift and then all the gift again. Cancel all the gift you. What does she give to you? Cap. Person never ever reach level 20 for gifts. Cap. What does she give to you? I don't gift you more than cancel. You go they play game, I go they share. If Douglas leave and not worry. You know say na illiterate. You know say illiterate the fix as you report matter to government tomorrow, government don't sweep into action. Leave and illiterate. You know say he go they play match, I go they call. I don't wanna call support. I be where you they come like call support. Thank you, my love. You're good. You're good. You know go still go do free good for you again. You know go still go do good for you except there is no God, except God does not exist. If there is God and it does exist, you will go still go do good for you again. God say me call toast you. You like when if the first on the toast, everybody coffee. Now this one, my first. When it comes to you are not even my spec. I don't deal with illiterates. Like me, illiterates, don't they go the same roads? Like I know they deal with smart way of people put food on my table. Don't let me talk to you. I don't feel do with my website. I don't feel like use and brag. I like to brag with my man. And Nick compose. You cannot use my name to build any dead career. I'm saying it right here on my live video. Don't build your page anymore with my name, man. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't try to use my name to gain relevance. When it comes to me, man, you're not relevant again at all. Like, you don't exist. You are not in my diary. Like, I don't know what to talk on. Like, when I know when you say person don't exist again, what I say for this life or whatever, I don't know. You don't exist anymore to me. So let my name, as in, take my name off your mouth. Just like I already took yours off my mouth. Take my name off your mouth. Oh, mommy Vivian, don't see you. Hey, mama, sorry. Good evening, mommy. Okay, mommy, thank you, ma. Take my name off your mouth. I don't need stress. I don't need problem. I don't need wahala. You don't do. I'm aware na gbene vie. I'm aware they don't say who they beat me no cry. But who cry? I be who laugh last. Now go laugh the best one. Now if I laugh now, kitty. We go laugh the best laugh. You say you're not bigger than the government. You are not bigger than the government, man. You're not bigger than the government. Enter see, you make your brother wife go there do zaddy. Enter us. You're not bigger than the government, oh. Not big pass government. See, we will see between you and government who big pass. Precious, my love, good evening. If I always be war, where? If I do you will know. I leave you for God. Jojo, my love, thank you, sugar. Good evening, precious. Sleep very. Man, you have to gift me the right sagami. Gift me. Now, woman, I throw that gift just now. You they use me the light this evening. Down they happy for a platform. What you concern me? Me not the coin, but me there's anybody. You. I be one man mopo. So what did you do to me? Not a shame. What did you do to me? We go make me carry my phone. Enogie. I bet Sagada Mama Blow. Sagada. I don't give a damn. Thank you, Queen Efizi. Thank you, my love. I don't give a damn. Like, I don't get that time. I don't get that time. If I call you, not pass donation money. Yes, Lisa, I'm in Italy. If I call you, you not pass donation money. If I call, thank you, Jojo. All of the other house are you in Italy? Thank you, Jojo, my love. So a person that oh Jojo, thank you, mommy. Now person that help me, they subscribe to my live go so. Now these gifts, I know they won't kill me for the live put for a platform. Now these gifts make no get won't kill my enemy, not be me. They live for a platform. They like say so I call the old gift and then all the gift again. Cancel all the gift you. What does she give to you? Cap. Person never ever reach level 20 for gifts. Cap. What does she give to you? I don't gift you more than cancel. You go they play game, I go they share. If Douglas leave and not worry. You know say na illiterate. You know say illiterate the fix as you report matter to government tomorrow, government don't sweep into action. Leave and illiterate. You know say he go they play match, I go they call. I don't wanna call support. I be where they come like call support. Thank you, my love. You're good. You're good. You know go still go do free good for you again. You know go still go do good for you, except there is no God, except God does not exist. If there is God and it does exist, you will not, go still go do good for you again. Call say me call toast you. You like when if the first on the toast, everybody coffee. Now this one, my first. Yeah, no, when it comes to you are not even my spec. I don't deal with illiterates. Like me, illiterates, don't they go the same roads? Like I know they deal with smart way of people put food on my table. Don't let me talk to you. I don't feel do with my website. I don't feel like use and brag. I like to brag with my man. And he compose. You not leave that one down a goat. Down a goat. I cannot deal with a man that can put food on my table. See, say me here oh call toast man. You know say you be odogun one name akataka. Oh, why they praise man for Igbo? Like your money they cry because money brings respect. Let's go. Thank you, my love. Thank you, my love. See, money they bring respect. You understand? Money they bring respect. Oh, dogu. Hey! Good night, my sugar mommy. Thank you, mommy. Thank you, mommy Jojo. Thank you, my love. Good night, mama. Sleep well. Tomorrow, money brings respect. As a man, normally, you get the way you take day well. If you like, what should they talk? Try be feminist. You see this lady they call her Obidi. I love Obidi. Oh. I dey like her message very well. You cannot be a man that wants to demand for respect and you don't have anything to your name. Are you crazy? You don't have anything to your name. And you will come on this social media space to rant. You are ranting. You are ranting. You are ranting. You are ranting. I think I call with the best for that, please. You will see the hustle. You will see the work as Jackie they do. Not so you want toast. Not that beg. You not get spec, my sister. I don't forgive you. I don't forgive you because before we are jealous, now man I talk. Get what is man talk reach there. Please, you ain't not be enemy. If you like the author say I know hate you. I love you, my sister. Thank you, big Annie. I love you so much, my sister. I not hate you at all. At all, at all. Broke men are respecting a 5 and 6. Broke men. Broke men are respect 5 and 6. Sufferhead men are respect 5 and 6. Broke men are respect. I'm not saying don't give respect for a man, but you as a man, you should earn your you go earn your respect for your woman and every other person around you, you go in their respect. How you carry yourself, how you approach issues, how you talk in public. Not be lie. But you know, you don't have any meaningful insult. Ogun, ashawo, this, that. No get one better insult you want to call someone like, you are this. You are... No, you're not there. Ashawo, okpo, ashawo. Ashawo, okpo, this. As a man, if you open your mouth, I'm fine, Lisa, it's not easy. As a man, anything make you, they always open your mouth, they call woman ashawo. You are not man enough. Especially the wife who you marry for us, virgin. And Anna Stone, what did you say? Especially what did you say that the answer? Especially the wife who you marry for us, now virgin, or your mama, your papa marry as virgin. If they not marry as virgin, they call man ashawo for this app. They're shame. Disgrace to manhood. Anna Stone, what, did you write me or did you call me? Did you call me? Did you call me? This go yours on you. I don't like to make me vex this if they say that be called the fire. Enogie, Sagara, me. Now the clap. Iceland, of course, my love. I do. I ship anywhere, America, Africa, anywhere. I do, my love. And Aston, just write me on WhatsApp. I do, baby. I do. I do. I do. Of course, I ship to Canada and Abakia there now. I ship to America everywhere. I do. I won't relax. I say, which can like be all this one? You will say I did, Jamie. Okay, your DM. Okay. Thank you. I will. Pain you say I did, Jamie. We're not in Nigeria that the carry police got to the arrest person. We go through due process, bro. I know you're not learned enough to know that we go through the law. Who be DM? Who be DM, my love? I know your fans not feel raise $100, $70. Give me money. They never give me a guinea. They never give me. I know your fans not feel raise $70. Did it shock me? Alright, give me. I was salato. Alright, give me. As I did now, who me I believe so much. One person called Dragon and say, I say, send me your account number. Send me your account number. Go ask your godfather what he follow me back. I say, send me your account number. I credit you. That's why I believe so much. Like I said now, you be like when they drag this girl Obidi. I love Obidi so much. Yeah, they drag her. One person called drag her. I said, please send me your account number. How much is it? How much you owe you? I pay. Or they drag is your birthday. Is your birthday the intelligent ashawo? I call it a dragger. I'll pay for her. Now for now to they commit. Now glory all you Godfather. Mercy. Don't cancel the request fast. Glory now your Godfather. Make you copy for her. Copy. Copy for her. Copy for your Godfather. Use me the lie. I use my name the lie. So now me. All those the gullible fans not cut us say, oh yeah, show us proof. No say lie proof. Well, not show na proof. Supposed to show and say yes, see na so. See I see wait that I not me everybody people like Kukumano. I know the delete message. Ooh, wait I write. Na here oh na see na you say make I go saga. I know funny no why they pay me. I don't know what they did to their saga. I'm not even aware. And I don't think I know him that time. I don't think so. It's not like I don't know him. I don't think I was close to him, or I don't think I go to his platform to contribute. I don't think so. Family stuff. Now if I do saga now money God they cry. I wish my turn and now they ask me. They say I thief you the thief una go say if you go now also ask me the same for me. Every yeah. So as I was saying, my people.
Wait, inside the trees? Oh my god, wait, is it actually inside the trees? Oh my god, it's inside the trees and off to the side, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's...
I just get time because thank you, glory, Olaye, pasha. Glory, Olaye, pasha, glory, Olaye.